Opening the View menu in Mechdesigner. After Mechdesigner opens, move the mouse to the View menu toolbar button and left-click. All the View menu commands are now visible underneath the graphics area. Left-clicking the Spin command allows you to use the mouse to rotate the viewpoint in the graphics area. Moving the mouse cursor to an empty area, left-clicking and dragging the mouse will now rotate the viewpoint. The keyboard shortcut for this command is Shift, left-click, then drag. To restore the front view, left-click the Front View command button. The shortcut for this is F3. To use the panning command, left-click on the pan command button and move the mouse to an empty section of the graphics area, then left-click drag. The keyboard shortcut for this is Control, left-click, drag.